In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove backgrounds in Canva. By the end, you'll have a clean, transparent cutout you can place on any design without that distracting backdrop. Start by opening your design in Canva. This ensures the image you're about to edit lands exactly where you want it. Once your design is open, head to the left-hand sidebar and click Uploads. Choose the image you want to work with and upload it from your computer. Higher resolution images usually give better results, especially around fine details like hair or edges. When the upload finishes, drag the image onto the canvas. You can resize or reposition it so you can clearly see the subject you want to keep. Now click the image on the canvas to make sure it's selected. You should see a bounding box and the top toolbar become active. In that top toolbar, click Edit Image. This opens a panel with editing tools. Find and select Background Remover. Canva will start processing and automatically detect your subject. Give it a moment to work. Complex or busy backgrounds can take a bit longer. Once the preview shows your subject isolated, click Apply to confirm the removal. If you notice areas that need refining, use the Erase and Restore tools. Zoom in for precision, adjust the brush size to fit the detail you're working on, and softly trace along tricky edges. Erase removes leftover background, while Restore brings back parts of the subject that were accidentally cut. Take a slow pass around fine details and curved edges for a smooth finish. Remember, you can undo a stroke if something goes off track, and it's helpful to move around the image to check all sides. When you're happy with the result, it's time to export the image with a transparent background. Click Share at the top right, then choose Download. In the File Type options, select PNG and make sure Transparent Background is turned on. This setting is essential. Without it, your background will appear white instead of transparent. If needed, you can also adjust the size slider for a higher resolution download, which is helpful for print or large layouts. Finally, click Download. Your file will save to your computer, typically in your Downloads folder. You can now place this PNG into any design, slide, or website, and it will sit seamlessly over colors, gradients, or other images without a visible box behind it. That's all you need to remove backgrounds in Canva quickly and cleanly.